A website is a collection of documents written in the HTML code for an individual, a business house, or any other organization. It is typically dedicated to some particular topic or purpose. Based on their functionality, there are two types of website: static website and dynamic website. Components of a website includes homepage and site, wide template design to ensure an attractive, functional, and consistent appearance of the website. Integrated site, navigation to provide clear and consistent access to the site's content, look and feel of the website, including colors, text and graphics, as well as the way it functions. A logo to be displayed in the left corner of each page of the website. A sitemap to provide a list of all pages on your site. Website search, features allowing user to search the website for content relevant to their specific interests. Feedback that facilitates the customers to ask some queries about the products and services. A domain name, the address on the internet or what people type into their browser to find. Web hosting, the physical place the website resides, includes the computer called a server, as well as the connection to the internet and the technology that makes the website work. Copyright, displaying the copyright information at the bottom of each page. The main purpose of any website is to deliver specific information or services in an organized and user-friendly manner. The success of the website is measured in terms of the number of visitors to the site and the ease with which the visitors find the required information. Multimedia and websites planning is the key to successful creation of a multimedia website. It allows developers to mix different media objectives in web pages. Multimedia such as animation, audio and video can supplement bland text or two-dimensional graphics, as well as complement the visual design, tone and message of a website. Through the use of multimedia tools, the web has created a new paradigm by allowing users to change their minds and choose news sources with no consequence. For example, when a person subscribes to a magazine, he or she becomes a captive audience. The person has a vested interest in the magazine or book, the cost, and is therefore more likely to spend time reading online rather than purchase a different one. Animation is an important component that distinguishes the web from other media except television. Levels of animation can range from simple animated GIF images to 3D renderings and virtual environments. It allows for the sense of movement and engagement on the part of the user. Sometimes it is used to attract attention and other times to illustrate a concept. An animated GIF is a compilation of still images that is set into motion at a designated sequence, speed, and repetition. An animated GIF can be very effective for displaying additional information in the same area of the screen. It can also attract the user's attention and it adds motion to a normally static page. Rollovers. Rollovers are actions that are triggered by passing the mouse pointer over the designated areas of the web page. Rollovers are commonly used with navigation elements. Flash files. Adobe Flash is now considered to be the de facto standard for animation in web design. Flash introduced a new form of animation that was previously not possible. It offers media-rich content while conserving bandwidth. The latest versions of Flash and the Flash Player include features for making Flash content accessible to a wider audience. Microsoft Silverlight. Microsoft Silverlight is a competitor to Adobe Flash. Silverlight is a browser plugin that enables rich internet application features such as animation, vector graphics, and audio-video playback. It is compatible with Internet Explorer, Firefox, Apple, Safari, and Google Chrome, running on Windows and OS X platforms. Designers and developers can create content for Silverlight. Audio and the web. Audio differs from other web content in that it does not rely on the display for the user to experience the media. The constraints of monitor size, operating system, and color bit depth do not apply. Audio can now be delivered in two distinct ways. The user can download the entire audio file and then begin the playback process. Audio file can be delivered in streaming format. Internet TV. To use Internet TV, the user needs only a phone line to connect his or her television to the internet. When connected, users can perform almost all the same functions that computer using internet surfers can perform. One can visit a site, see all the latest graphics, experiment with interactivity, survey available products and buy directly from the site, much as they would online or through a home shopping club. User interaction. For it to give good stories, it should elicit interest, activity, and resolution. Each element is encountered in succession until the user's experience is completed or the website's navigable channels have been explored. The goal of a web page with multimedia, as with other aspects of web design, is ultimately the content. The most important question to consider is what you want users to do when they visit your site in reading stories. Purpose and function are the utmost goals of content. User interaction. For it to give good stories, it should elicit interest, activity, and resolution. Each element is encountered in succession until the user's experience is completed or the website's navigable channels have been explored. Multimedia authoring. Each multimedia application can be an exciting new tool that helps to clack a magazine cover on a magazine rack. A web page gives its author only a few seconds to convince the reader that the information inside is of interest. Web blog. A blog is a type of website usually maintained by an individual with regular entries of commentary, descriptions of events, or other materials such as graphics or video. Entries are commonly displayed in reverse chronological order. The way that blogs are typically organized allows the reader or viewer to recontextualize posts according to categories and dates, as well as allowing the user to use keywords to search for posts on any topic. Fusion. The website has become one of the most important technological innovation of this century. New ideas are being created and developed through the website. A lot of discoveries are made, information passed, and interaction. Simply put, the website has become a basic need for the modern human being.